Sherpa is a Canadian company, so most of us, including Farah, we're all based in Canada. I am the director of IT here. One of the biggest things that I still notice to this day is that there are a lot of links and a lot of public links and shares that get sent around in Slack and in Notion and in email and Zoom recordings and call recordings and all of these different links. And I was like, okay, we need to find a better way to either share these links or have one link that can be updated frequently. By bringing GoLinks into this process, we were not able to bring efficiency to locating resources, updating links, finding information across the org, but also just make information accessible. Being able to bring that to kind of one centralized hub. Hey, you need to get IT support, go/IT. Hey, you need access to Notion, go/Notion. Bringing that accessibility into kind of the forefront of everyone's day is one of the things that and GoLinks is solving for. It's nice to be able just to update those links in one single source of truth and having 5 Slack threads, 5 different links, and all of them, you open all of them to go to a Google Doc and they all say, access denied, you request access. Or have one GoLink and be able to update that. For me, it's made my life 10 times easier, if not 20 times. Being able to go to Slack admin instead of having to go through Slack, or remember visa-run, inc.slack.com/admin, instead of having to type all that out, go/SA, go/OA for Okta admin, go/GA for Google admin, go/NA for Notion admin. For me, it's definitely made my life here a lot easier.